Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to detect missing drivers in your Windows laptop. Here you can go and type driver identifier. This one, you need to go here and get this software. It's free of cost. After that, here you can see I have downloaded and click on and then yes, accept terms and conditions. So now this tool is installed and then here we need to go and click on scan now button. So it will detect all the missing drivers in our laptop. Now on this page here you can see all of the drivers with their status. So these are the drivers that need to be updated.